નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, ધોરણ 6 દ્વિતીય સત્ર યુનિટ નંબર 4 વિલ યુ વેક અપ એનો પ્રશ્ન નંબર 1 જોઈશું આપણે. નંબર 1, વોટ ડીડ મિસ્ટર મફતલાલ ડુ ઓલ ધ ટાઈમ? આન્સર, he sat idle or moved her and there all the time. Number 2, where did Mr. Mafatlal sit? Answer, Mr. Mafatlal sat down under a tree. Number 3, what did Mr. Mafatlal see? Mr. Mafatlal saw a hen's egg laying on the grass under the tree. MCQ question number 1, Mr. Mafatlal was a ખાલી જગ્યા man. Answer number D, lazy. Number 2, Mr. Mafatlal saw ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number B, a hen's egg. Number 3, Mr. Mafatlal did not like to ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number C, work. Paragraph number 2, question number 1, who was Chhaganlal? Answer, Chhaganlal was Maganlal's friend. Number 2, what will make Mr. Mafatlal rich? An egg will make Mr. Mafatlal rich. MCQ number 1, Mr. Mafatlal thought he was ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number A, lucky. Number 2, the egg will make Mr. Mafatlal ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number C, rich. Paragraph number 3, question number 1, where will Mr. Mafatlal put the egg? Answer, Mr. Mafatlal will put the egg in his pocket. Number 2, what will come out of the egg? A chick will come out of the egg. Number 3, what will the chick grow into? Answer, the chick will grow into a hen. Number 4, what will Mr. Mafatlal have when he become rich? Answer, Mr. Mafatlal will have a big house, many servants and 4 cars. MCQ number 1, Mr. Mafatlal will put the egg ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number D, in his pocket. Number 2, a ખાલી જગ્યા will come out of the egg. Answer number C, chick. Number 3, the chick will grow into a ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number A, hen. 4, Mr. Mafatlal will sell eggs and be a ખાલી જગ્યા man. Answer number B, rich. Number 5, Mr. Mafatlal will have ખાલી જગ્યા cars. Answer number D, 4. Paragraph number 4, question number 1, what happened when Mr. Mafatlal took the egg out of his pocket? Answer, when Mr. Mafatlal took the egg out of his pocket, it slipped from his fingers. MCQ number 1, Chhaganlal calls the egg ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number D, wonderful. Number 2, the egg slipped from ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number B, Mr. Mafatlal's fingers. Paragraph number 5, what did Chhaganlal tell Mr. Mafatlal? Chhaganlal told, you will be poor, but you can try your luck next time. Start working and earn. MCQ number 1, in the end, Mr. Mafatlal was ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number A, sad. તો મિત્રો આ તો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 2 આવતા વિડીયોમાં જોઈશું. થેન્ક યુ.